Hi guys, Yang here and here's the latest update about Fast Earn. Previously, I published a video about this project and I show you my earnings. And as of now, I have $368 total earnings from my UBI coins and other minerals like gold ore. But not all of this amount, guys, can be withdrawn. I can only withdraw 3,582 UBI coins or worth $95, but I haven't met the criteria yet because I need to complete the level 6. I need to reach at least level 6, and V1 mining members, you have to have at least 6, but I already have 100, 120 V1 miners for now, so I need to reach level 6 before I can withdraw my UBI coins or convert them to cash. But for you guys who are asking about how to accumulate more UBI coins, okay? Because there is a latest update in the app. As you can see, dito nga sa baba guys, makita niyo, meron ng bagong tab which is the UBI. And here you can see all the bounty tasks you can do to increase your rewards, to accumulate UBI coins, to earn more or tokens. And like this one guys, for the latest task, there are different tasks here, okay? For number one, like recruiting 15 V1 mining. If you guys are actively sharing your referral links online and reach 15 V1 miners, which means you can get 200 UBI coins and 100,000 ore. All you need to do is click on each task and you'll see your rewards and click on submit. You can also, you need to enter the URL. If you guys recruited members on your Telegram channel, on your messenger, then you can click on enter the URL and then submit so that the 200 UBI coins will be added on your total balance. But aside from recruiting members, you guys can also invite local community and team leaders. This will earn you 100 UBI coins. Meron din dito guys, mababa lang yung reward but easy yung task. Like this one, you have to share price trend screenshot and you'll earn 1,000 or UBI, 1 UBI coin. So you can just visit the bounty tabs or UBI tab and then you'll see all the available tasks here. You can do it daily guys and earn as much as UBI coins by completing this task. And wala namang limitation guys. You can just visit. Marami ditong task na available and each task has an equivalent reward. Also, I am on level 4 and if you guys upgrade to level 4, you can earn gold ore because from level 1 to level 3, you can only earn ore, the mineral. But right now, you can earn gold ore or UBI coins. So, mas mataas yung level nyo, mas mabilis kayo mag-earn. So, meron pa tayong ilang percent para makapag-level upgrade to level 5. Kailangan nyo lang guys matapos itong count, dito percentage or progress. Once natapos nyo or napuno nyo yan, magiging upgraded yung account ninyo. So aside from these tasks guys, you can also go to official Fast Earn Telegram channel. Signing into UBI for example, just message or send UBI in the group chat daily to earn 900 ore, okay? At yan, you have already signed in. Every day, you'll earn 900 ore. So, dapat araw-araw kayo guys mag-sign in para mas mabilis yung pag-accumulate nyo ng ore. So, ano nga ba ang gagawin ninyo sa ore at gold ore na to? Pupunta tayo sa earn at dito nga guys, no? Click on income at pwede natin i-stake yung ore at gold ore natin. And with that, we can earn additional UBI coins. So, for 1 week, I've earned 9.7 UBI coins. Pwede dito guys i-sell or i-convert to cash ay UBI coins only. Okay? So, hindi pwedeng ma-convert yung gold ore, hindi pwedeng ma-convert yung ore kasi ang use case nila is parang transaction fees lang, guys. Like, pag nag-upgrade tayo or pag nag-stake tayo, yan, pwede natin i-stake yung gold ore, yung minerals na to. Pero yung native token nila, guys, is yung UBI coins. Ito yung pwede nating i-trade once na available na siya sa mga exchanges. And yeah, guys, if you want to accumulate more UBI coins, participate or do the bounty task, which you can see on your app. And that's all for today. If you guys have questions, drop your comments below. And don't forget to join Fast Earn Official Telegram group to earn additional minerals. And thank you. See you next time. Bye!